Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Alipay Hong Kong verification code not received. First, make sure you've entered the correct phone number and the correct country code. Then, check your mobile signal strength. Weak signals can delay or block SMS messages. Wait for a few while and then tap Resend Code if you did not receive it. You can also choose the Call Me option if available to receive the code through voice. Then make sure you're not blocking unknown messages or spam SMS. Restart your phone and try again. Then also ensure that your SIM card is still active and able to receive messages. If you're still not able to receive the code, contact your mobile carrier or try again later. That's how you fix the AlipayHK verification code not received. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.